Good evening, everybody. This is James at Lock in the Value. Just wanted to review the market today. It's May the 4th. Um, I'm not sure, quite honestly, what is going to happen if this video is actually going to air, given the nonsense that we've been dealing with regards to YouTube at this point. We've had a strike issued and rescinded 3 times now for some link on swag books. I've shown you the video previously, so I'm not going to get into it too much. We'll see what happens. So, currently the market is knocking at around $248 billion. Bitcoin is at $8,900. So, in our previous video, we said, based on charts and just pattern analysis, what we believe is that well, 7 days from today, that's when the halving should be happening. We believe that we'd see a Bitcoin price of about $9,200. Now, it did break that 3 days ago, so I think we could see higher than our prediction, which is no bad thing for any of us that are invested in the ecosystem. But we're pleased to see that the market is making the right progressive steps. Today's been a fairly uneventful day for the majority of currencies. But we are really thrilled in particular with Zilliqa. Now, those of you that watch our channel and those of you that may be new to our channel, we did a video on Zilliqa on around 2 weeks ago. I think it was the 18th of April. So that was 23 days ago. And at the time of recording, and feel free to go check the video, but at the time of recording, Zilliqa was at 0.004284 dollars. So since then, we've seen a percentage gain of 70%, which is exceptional. Now, we at Lock in the Valley were absolutely thrilled. We did a video on that on Zilliqa showing what the project entails because we were all passionate about the project. And we are all invested in the project. Now, obviously, they're decentralized finance and what they're trying to do, they're making really positive steps forward, and we're thrilled to see what comes of this project. But we've had a number of comments on the videos in terms of what we perceive as a possibility. I'm not sure that we'll ever see necessarily $1 per coin for Zilliqa, but it's certainly within our expectation that we're going to see at least sort of 10 cents per coin, which would sort of break the $1 billion market cap, which is what we believe will happen. In the same way that we said about Zilliqa, Engine Coin has flown up and is about 75% up on when we last spoke about it. So we're thrilled to say that right now our predictions and our on the videos that we've posted, a lot of those have progressed in very, very positive ways. We did a video on XRP. Now, XRP hasn't progressed in any way really. I think it was at 19 cents when we did our video, so it's about 10 cents or 10% or so up, which is obviously not bad, but not like Zilliqa or Engine Coin. We are producing a lot more material within the website. We've posted 2 articles recently about Cardano and what we believe will happen, and why we've become Chainlink maximalists. Now that is a reiteration of a video we have done previously about Chainlink and why we are really excited about it as a project. If it does in fact become the link between all of the blockchains, I don't see how it doesn't break into the top 5 in terms of market cap. And even looking at it now, that would still be a threefold gain, breaking the $11 mark. So currently, we can see that there's positive movement in this ecosystem. I think after all of the Lockdowns around the world have ended. It will be very, very interesting to see how the cryptocurrency market develops. It's clearly evident that more banks are investing. It's clearly evident that there is more institutional money going into this ecosystem. And if that is the case, then it could be very, very good for the majority of us out there that are invested in this market. Moving forward, we are going to continue to do articles. We are going to continue to do videos. In a short time, we are going to start releasing more and more information on the not only the currencies we're invested in, but the currencies we wouldn't touch with a barge pole, I think is the phrase. Um, the currencies that we think are valueless, and we want to make sure that that we get our perspective across. Obviously, this is not financial advice. This is our opinions as cryptocurrency enthusiasts, but we just wanted to let you know what we're thinking about and how we see the market moving. Um, we said, I think roughly a week, maybe 2 weeks ago, that we see the market hitting 300 billion. I still firmly believe that's going to be the case. Uh, I think we initially predicted 9,200 for Bitcoin. Right now, with the moves that have been made in the past 4 days, I think in the next week we could see it break $10,000. If that's the case, the market cap obviously skyrockets somewhat, but it will also drag up coins like Litecoin, XRP, just so you're clear. And if you haven't seen, XRP tends to actually overtake Bitcoin in terms of percentage increase as they both make a linear rise. So it is worth looking into XRP, certainly worth looking into Litecoin because, as I said, Litecoin and Bitcoin almost have, well, they have a parallel line in terms of their market moves. So it's going to be an interesting week. Bitcoin halving's coming up. It's very, very exciting. So let's see what happens. If anyone has any questions, please comment in the video. Please make sure you like and subscribe to our channel and take care and stay safe. Bye.